My name is Evelyn. I'm 27 years old. I live in Cape Girardeau, Missouri, and I'm addicted to drinking air freshener.
Oh, what's up, guys? As you just saw that first thing, have you ever just been like walking around the house, right? Just walking around the house, and then you're just like, a breeze, or something else that's air freshener, and you're just like, I wonder how that tastes. Spray into your mouth, like, who would ever do that? Alright, guess I'll just keep watching the video.
I love it. Absolutely. What I love about drinking air freshener is the taste. There's a million air fresheners.
Alright, guys, did you guys see that? Oh, I'm sorry I paused it at that perfect moment. But did you guys see that? She had the biggest cup ever. I never seen it. Just like 16 ounces of air freshener. Have you ever wanted to drink that? No, I do not think so. So, let's just keep watching. I just needed to say that. You saw how big that cup was. And why would you ever like the taste of air freshener? There's so many things I need to say.
Out there, but the one that I like is Fresh Linens. I've tried.
I'm sorry I'm stopping it every single second, but did you see that? There are so many air fresheners in that one little basket. It's not even funny. I stopped the video when I wasn't recording and I counted this. I think it was like 15. 15! If you guys want to count it too, put it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell.
But I don't like them.
Guys, so she likes it so much. She likes the air freshener taste so much that she would go out in public with her air freshener and she would spray it in her mouth. So imagine that person. I just can't. I'm trying to think about it right now. I just can't. So, let's just get straight back into it, guys.
Fresh Linen. I literally crave it. In the last 3 years, there's not a day where I've not had it.
You see this? Evelyn goes through 20 cans. 20 cans! Of air freshener a week. And it says that's as much as a mid-sized hotel. So imagine a hotel that looks about like this. So imagine that hotel that I just showed you guys. You know that there's probably a lot of air freshener in there. And she goes through that about a week. A week!
You want to taste it? You should taste it. My fiance thinks I'm crazy. My future wife, Evelyn.
So guys, did you hear that laugh? She's like, yeah. You must really have to love somebody to put air freshener in your mouth. It's not supposed to work that way.
It's unhealthy. If you look at it, he's kind of my enabler. Because he will go out and shop. He'll get a couple of cans that he thinks that he may need.
Evelyn actually wakes up in the middle of the night and she would spray. And then I would wake up and then she'll lay back down and act like she didn't do anything. She sprays in her mouth and then she'll ask me for a kiss. Why did you spray this in my mouth?
Again, the amount of love you would have to go through for that. Ah! Not happening. Nope.
Stop spraying this in my mouth.
We'll negotiate. Love is powerful, I guess, because he'll just drink it to make me happy. Is that bad? Did I make him drink it? Oh god, I'm poisoning my fiance. I'm sorry.
Tastes like a bar of soap.
I know.
It's nasty. It's disgusting. But she loves it. And I love her. So therefore, I just have to deal with it. So now you have to put...
Oh, you guys heard him. Dude, that's pretty good. Yeah. Good logic. Very good logic. Yep. You're probably gonna be poisoned for the rest of your life, but you know, you have a wife now, so.
Ice, they're automatic sprayers that freshen the house. Sprayed as I was walking past. It dusted the rim of my glass. It was a flavor that I liked. There are only 2 ways that I have my air freshener. One is straight out of the can. The can has to be extremely cold.
Yes, guys. There's 2 ways. Dos ways. Dos. Uno, dos. Dos. That means 2 ways to eat your freshener. So listen up, guys, if you want to drink your air freshener at home. Start listening up, guys.
It'll catch it. Or it has to go over crushed ice. So we just spray it over the ice. And then you just eat it from there. There's a feeling when I eat it. It's a sense of completion, like I found it. That craving is gone. It's okay now. Oh man.
Now I just feel bad. Look, who would do this? Who would do this? I do not know.
Oh, man. I have 2 boys. One's 8 and one is 2. I try not to let my kids see me use the air freshener just because I don't want them to obtain that habit as well. And I know it's not good for me, so I don't want them to follow that way. My kids are my all. And if they picked up this habit, that's when I'll stop. I work at a furniture store. I use air freshener at work no matter what time. Whether I'm opening the store, closing the store, or finishing up a sale, I will have it there.
My employee Evelyn is a rock star at her job that has a very strange addiction to air fresheners. Evelyn's addiction to air freshener doesn't really hinder her work performance that I've ever seen. On the average day, Evelyn sprays anywhere from 3 to 6.
So I let that part go on for a pretty long time, so you guys must have caught up. But imagine, so the guys watching this from the beginning, if you guys have made it this far, you guys are the best. You guys will deserve a free cookie. You guys will get a free cookie in your mailbox. If you go outside right now, go check your mailbox. There is a free cookie in there. 100%. Only if you stay to this. And a person who would just randomly just click on this video, just like, I can't even talk. Just so, what a strange addiction.
Days when I see stress levels go up, that it sounds like an air freshener factory in the background. Hey, Evie.
Yes.
Want to get the cookies to match the one right over here?
Okay.
In Evelyn's role as a sales manager, part of what she does on the floor is always make sure the showroom floor looks meticulously perfect.
Have to go around the entire store and make sure everything is in order. I'm real particular. I think my OCD kicks in.
No wonder she likes air freshener. No wonder. But she's a sales manager. Have you ever not seen a sales manager drink air freshener? No. See, you really haven't. So, yeah. Just true facts.
Now, we make sure it's like someone's home. Everything is angled correctly. My air freshener is hidden in certain compartments at work.
So guys, it's hidden in secret compartments at her work. So imagine just some random person walks in, right? Just looking around, checking in stuff, just like what you would do at like a store, right? They find the air freshener. You just hear her running down the halls as fast as she can. Don't touch my air freshener. She just goes like this. So just imagine that lady doing that. Wouldn't that just be hilarious? Bro, it really would. Alright, let's just get straight back into the video.
By the cash registers where I'm always at. That's where I have it at my desk. Of course, it's got to be on hand.
As long as she get an air freshener, it's a good day of work.
Oh my goodness, did you hear that gun? As long as she gets her air freshener, it's a good day at work. I think that is a good place to end the video. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.